Hi guys, welcome to Surrey Gold, where food comes exciting. Yes, if you're just joining us, it's your first time of meeting, you're welcome. I am very grateful for all the likes, all the comments, and the subscription. Thank you so much. This is so motivating. It's motivating. So what I'm going to do today, guys, is ayamashi, yes, ayamashi designer steel or OFADA steel. That is it. So therefore, now let me show you what I need to cook my ayamashi. This is my bleached red oil. It has to be thoroughly bleached. That one there is my shrimps. This is a shrimps red prawn, dried. That is blended. Yeah, I have my meat, my tendon, and my beef stripes, and cow skin. And sometimes you can decide to use all the inner part of an animal, the intestine, the gizzard, the liver, and all those about the shaki, all those ones. So, but right about now, this is what I am going to use for it. And I have my blended onion for ayamashi. It's very important. Iru, as in locust beans for ayamashi, it's very important. And I have an egg to support it, because sometimes I like going with eggs. It make it look good. So this is my blended habanero, and this is my jalapeno. So guys, this is the crushed jalapeno. After crushing it, I use water. I sieve it. I sieve the water out, so it comes like this. Eat this with guess what I am going to eat with? That's what I am going to. So this is my 15 ml of Goldmine Aroma Soup mix. One is okay, guys, for this. People who are ordering it are loving it. Don't stress yourself for your bouillon, your herbs, your spices. We put you in you are in our mind. Let's put in our jalapeno. I told you we have different types of this pepper here. You see poblano, you see banana pepper, you see jalapeno, you see blah 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 blah. You see a whole lot of orishirishi, but this is my favorite. And I told you it's because it's spicy already. Give me exactly how I want it. It wasn't. So all the time I was pouring this in one.
No, I was. But then when you start saying put the fire on the medium.
So guys, when you're done with this, put the fire on. Wait. It's getting annoying. So when you put on this, put the fire on medium so that it will farabale, you know. And wait, let's turn it when I'm done turning it. Like this. Because if you didn't put it on the medium heat, it will get burned easily. And you want it to be good to taste. I have another special guest for the ayamashi. You know, this person I'll tell you about love good food, you know. He loves good food. And he's a well-known brother. His name is JuLife King. See, wait, before he comes, you have any engagement, you have any occasion, he's JuLife 1. Bobotek does come. JuLife come. Do you want to meet him? Yeah, my brother from another mother. Oh!
How you doing, man?
Yeah. Good to see you. Thank you.
Pleasure.
let's make this. And
You know,
I
this
said,
is
let me disturb you.
This one is a very good invitation. OFADA rice with ayamashi. That is my hometown rice.
Yeah.
All the way from it, but
My
honestly,
mind is working.
anyway, I don't even want to take much of your time. Let me just do justice to it because I can't wait. It's been long I ate OFADA rice. That was the last time I went to Nigeria. Ew. Oh my God. And me, so anytime with me.
Where are you, Yomi?
Ah.
Eban Polkom Kuti, Ambassador enjoying to your
Yatinana.
Yatinana, where are you?
Well, it's a pity I'm eating OFADA rice. But you're just over your low man.
Mommy Tiwa, where are you?
Oh my goodness. Ah.
Henny Soft.
Wow.
Where are thou?
This is looking good. Olodumare. This is Ali Tataroshi or Solon.
Yeah.
I
Touch me.
don't know the Yoruba to say again. That's why I said. Highly mehu indeed. Honestly. This is OFADA rice. Just the way Bashen J.
I told you guys. I told you can from it.
This is lovely. Imagine. This àwọn inú ẹran lélẹ́yìí o. Abọ́dì. Imagine. Sorry, don't blame me that I'm eating the meat before I eat the food. I can't even see the camera. My mouth is
Yeah. Thank you, JuLife.
This is
I really
lovely.
appreciate it. Thank you so much.
In fact,
Yeah.
I need to introduce you to some of my big uncles.
Yeah, I can't wait. And that's why you should follow us on YouTube page on Surigod.
Honestly, the best place to be if you want African food.
It's Goldmine Aroma.
A man mad out rara.
Yes, don't touch it.
It is barbestically speaking.
Yeah! You shocked me.
The man will nothing. You hadn't seen nothing yet. You are doing well.
Thank you.
And even your father is doing well as well.
Thank you very much.
Really.
So guys, comment and let me see how you feel. Please download it now and eat it. Just feel it, smell it. Some of my friends said all my foods are getting finished on YouTube because they are downloading it small and they are tasting it. If it's okay with you like that, please go ahead and do it because I want it to go around. And we are going to be touring from city to city very soon so that when we're in your city for food tasting, you will know. So right about now, Goldmine Aroma it is. So let us know what you feel about it. Comment, I'll put, as I usually do, all the description, I'll put it in the descriptive box below. So you get exactly how it's been made. Yes, that's what you want to share. So guys, follow us, comment, share, like. Let's see how you feel about this good food.
You better follow. The only choice you have is just for you to follow,
Yes.
comment, share, like.
Do everything.
Even
and
thumbs
place-
up.
Yes, place your orders, please.
Bosa. Everything. Then patronize.
Peace out.